The minimum amount of money you need to day trade stocks in the United States has just dropped from $25,000 to $2,000 in a margin account. And if you are using something like AlphaInsider to automate your trades, this absolutely applies to you. So let's get into it. So for the past 25 years, there's been a rule called the pattern day trade rule, and essentially required you to have $25,000 in a margin account. Now, to unlock margin across most US brokerage, you had to have at least $2,000 in your account. That margin requirement is not changing. The pattern day trade rule, where you cannot make more than 3 day trades in a 5-day span if you have less than $25,000 in said margin account, that is the rule that has changed. As of June 4th, 2026, that rule is now gone, and it has been replaced with a more risk-based margin rule that the SEC has just approved. Now, why does that matter for AlphaInsider and for trading automation? Well, in the past, you were required to have $25,000 in your Alpaca account to create a trading bot and to automate your trades. But now you can run an Alpaca trading bot with as little as $2,000 in your trading account. The long story for why this rule was put in place in the first place was back in 2001, after the .com crash, there was a lot of issues with traders and margin accounts. And so this allowed to become a filter, and it essentially required you to have a decent amount of capital to tie up in order to be an active trader, someone who's day trading all the time in the markets, because a lot of people got burnt doing so about 25 years ago. And on April 14th, 2026, the SEC approved a proposal from FINRA to eliminate that rule completely. But in its place, a real-time risk-based margin system that looks at your actual account exposure instead of just counting how many day trades you've taken is what we've adopted. So on the 4th of June, many brokers made this change immediately and were ready to go. And so now you won't be stopped from taking excessive amounts of day trades during the day. But you still are required to have $2,000 in your account to access margin. So if you wanted to get 4x intraday leverage and many times 2x overnight leverage, again, depending upon the asset you're looking to trade, you still need to have $2,000 in your account to do so. And since AlphaInsider operates with the ability to utilize leverage, we're also requiring $2,000 in your account to open a stock trading bot. But $2,000 might be cutting it close. Here's why. If you were to fall below the $2,000 threshold, your AlphaInsider trading bot will be liquidated. Doesn't mean you're going to lose all your money. Your money will still be in your account, but if you fall below $2,000, you're no longer able to actually utilize the trading bot features that AlphaInsider offers. So if you were to go all in on a very risky strategy, or a bunch of your strategies happen to go into a losing streak and your bot was to lose a couple of trades in a row, well, if you fall below that threshold, you're gonna need to add funds back into your account in order to restart your bot. So now if you wanted to run an automated stock trading strategy with Alpaca, it just became about 10 times easier to do so. If you are someone who has been using AlphaInsider and maybe has a paper trading bot or wants to test the waters with building out a real live trading bot, but you didn't want to tie up $25,000 to do so, well, now this has fallen right into your lap. You don't have to risk as much money, and you can start and set your trading bot up as soon as you are watching this video today to start saving time, automating your trades, members of Congress, or even somebody else that you found on the site. I'll link a video below this that'll show you how to connect your Alpaca account to AlphaInsider and get your bot up and running in just a matter of a few minutes. It's actually super easy. If you have any questions about this topic, what this means, anything along those lines, please let us know in the comment section down below. We'll be happy to answer them. Thanks so much and happy trading.